it's a great initiative. This is what makes Lahore such a marvelous city for visitors from all over the world, including us who live here in Lahore. And then they've done an incredible job here restoring the old city, and I must say hats off to Lashari
We were just admiring the Wazir Khan Masjid because they've done a wonderful job of renovating it, and I think it's wonderful to showcase Lahore in this way to all the visitors that have come to Afkar-e Taza and the Think Fest.
अफकार-ए ताज़ा थिंक फेस्ट के लिए मैं कराची से हूँ और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ कि सोचने की आज़ादी और अपनी सोच को आवाज़ देने की आज़ादी का एक प्लेटफॉर्म हमें मुहैया किया जा रहा है.
Was a dream about 3-4 years ago is a reality today. This particular spot where we are standing was an impossible place.
I think it's a wonderful event tonight, and the next 2 days should be very educational for all attending.